I finally managed to get some of the bats on camera. It is so hard. I actually didn't think I'd got any at all until I played the video back when I got home. So I just thought I'd share a little bit. Apologies if there's an awful lot of sky with nothing happening, but trust me, the bats were flying. It was cool.